Man, that is a good fish, Chad. Oh, did you see that go?
That's someone's fault right there. I think it's us there too. Yep.
Going to the bench. Going to the bench, I know my role. I feel like Daxter Miles and I just blew a layup. Come back to Fly Rod Chronicles right after this.
Stick around for more Rod Chronicles. Wait. Stick around for more Rod. Stick around for more Rod. Stick around for more Fly Rod Chronicles.
Say stick around for more Fly Rod Chronicles.
Stick more for rigor mortis in the what now?
Stick around
Stick around
for more Fly Rod Chronicles.
Stick around for more Fly Rod Chronicles.
Come back for more Fly Rod Chronicles. Corte. Arre. Come back for more Fly Rod Chronicles.